Today we're making mom's spaghetti sauce. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 large onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 1/2 pound of ground beef, 1 28-ounce can of Hunt's tomatoes, 2 6-ounce cans of tomato paste, 2 cups of water, 1/4 cup of dried parsley, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's mom's spaghetti sauce. You cook it on the stove for 1 hour and 20 minutes. You use 12 ingredients. It serves 8 people. Heat oil in large pot. Add onions and garlic and cook for 2 minutes. Add ground beef and cook until completely brown. Add tomatoes paste, water, parsley, Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and sugar. Mix thoroughly, let come to a boil, and then turn down heat to a simmer. Let simmer at low heat for at least 1 hour. If it becomes too thick, you may add a little water as needed. That's it. Serve over your favorite pasta, and you're done. Mom's spaghetti sauce. And I'm doing it in a crock pot, so I'm going to let mine cook for 6 hours on high. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. You can also find me on Facebook at Tanya Marie Fugate. You can also find me on TikTok. Thanks for watching. Bye.